Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Acorn TV on Roku. Quick setup step by step clearly. To activate Acorn TV on your Roku device, first, make sure your Roku is set up and connected to the internet. Power on your Roku device and navigate to the home screen. Using your remote, scroll down to the Streaming Channels option. Select Search Channels from the menu. Type in Acorn TV using the on-screen keyboard and select it once it appears. Press the Add Channel option to install Acorn TV on your Roku. Once the installation completes, return to the home screen. Locate and click on the Acorn TV channel icon to open it. You will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Now, take a moment to visit a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Go to the Acorn TV activation website. Enter the activation code displayed on your Roku screen in the designated field. Sign in to your Acorn TV account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. Once activated, return to your Roku. You should now be able to access all the content available on Acorn TV. Enjoy watching your favorite shows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.